Welcome to Babonga's channel. If you wanna know how you can make a polymer clay winter bracelet like this, stay with me until the end of this video. Let's start. Roll 12 to 15 beads out of mint or any other type of blue polymer clay. And pierce each one of them. Make clean, large holes. And if you want to make a charm, then insert an eye hook. Take your time with this, and when you're ready, it's time for the oven. Bake for the first time for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare your translucent clay. What you need is a very thin sheet of translucent clay. You don't have to be very neat with it, but in the end you should be able to see through it. Now your beads are cool from the oven, and you can cut small stripes of translucent clay. You wrap the small stripe around the bead and pull until you cover the whole surface. Rolling at this stage distributes the translucent clay more evenly. And if the hole gets covered, then clean it with a toothpick and smooth it a little bit. To achieve the pattern of crisscrossed ice or snow, you work with your knife like this. Make crisscross lines or grooves, and you don't have to be very accurate. After all, it's only a snowball. Now, if you want to make a snowball charm, you have to do the same thing. First, cover with translucent clay. And after, with your knife, create the pattern of crisscross lines. And now that the surface is ready, it's time for some small additions. Eyes and mouth. I used black clay for the eyes and some red glitter clay for the mouth. For the translucent clay and additions, you must bake again 10 more minutes. Here you can see how they came out of the oven. Notice the difference in color. Prepare a mixture of liquid polymer clay, white mica powder, and iridescent glitter dust. Mix it well and apply on the surface of each bead. Work so the mixture gets into the grooves. With a wet wipe, remove any excess material. Final baking 10 more minutes. After cooling, apply gloss varnish for a nice glazing. And this was how you can make beautiful polymer clay winter bracelets or charms. Thank you for watching.